Hey guys, we're learning parts of step 3. Now, we're going to learn a new story here, and this story involves you and your friend and having a quick play date. Now, how does this play date start? Well, first, you need to make sure that you guys are in the same neighborhood. So let's find you, and you're in the corner, right here. You're white, and then two other colors. In this case, white, red, blue. And you want to make sure that you're in the right neighborhood. Now, how do we check if you're in the right neighborhood? Let's take a look at these two colors. They're red and blue. And I'm going to use 2 fingers and these 2 middle squares. Are they red and blue? No, they're blue and orange. That's not the same thing. So we're going to take you right here and take you for a spin just on the top. Where did you go? You're over here. Let me move the whole cube over. You're still wearing red and blue, and these 2 middle ones are they red and blue? No. So we're going to put you for a spin. And you are over here. Let's rotate the whole cube over. You're wearing red and blue, and what are these 2? They're red and green. That's not the same 2 colors. Let's take you for another spin. You're wearing red and blue, and what are these 2? Red and blue. That's a match. That means you're in the neighborhood. Now let's look for your friend, and in this particular case, your friend is already on the top floor. Your friend is right there in the back, wearing red and blue. So that's how we know that it's your friend. But in this case, you guys are kind of wearing the same colors, but the 2 t-shirts, you might say, are not matching. The blue t-shirt and the red t-shirt. They're not matching, but you guys are both wearing red and blue. Okay? And we know you are this one because you have white. So red and blue, and the most important part to notice right here is that your t-shirts are not matching. The next thing to check is this friend living close to you in your neighborhood or far? Now, what do I mean? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger on the white square, and you're going to see, is it far to get to your friend? So we're just going to trace. We're going to go look like that around one corner, and you're right at your friend's house. One corner, just went straight and took one turn. Now let's put your finger here, and if you want to go to your friend's house the other way, let's see what would happen. You're here. Oh, you got to go around this edge, and then you got to go around this edge, and then you got to go around that edge. That's a lot of edges. So you would say that this is where you are, and your friend is close by from where you are. So if this is the case, and all you would have to do is just go pick up your friend for a play date. So let's remember the story. You are in the correct neighborhood, in this case red and blue, because those are your colors. Your friend is already on the top floor, right back there. You guys are not wearing matching t-shirts, and your friend is close to you. If your friend is close, then you can go ahead and pick them up. Ready? All I'm going to do is just turn this over. See this blue piece right here? See where it goes? You're going to turn it over. And now you guys are getting into the same car. You got 2 blues. On the other side are 2 reds. And then you're going to move your friend closer back to the correct neighborhood where you are. So you move your friend closer, and then you move your friend, and then all you're going to do is close this down. You can see it. We're going to take these 2 white pieces. When we see that, we like to put them on the bottom, and that's it. All of this is solved. So we're going to see this kind of pattern come up again and again, where you and your friend are on the top floor. You guys are in the correct neighborhood. You guys are not wearing matching t-shirts, and your friend's house is close to you. Well, then all you're going to do is just go right over there, pick them up, and come back home. We'll practice more of these.